In the figure, the equations of the straight lines L1 and L2 are ax minus 2y is equal to b and x plus by is equal to c, respectively. Which of the following inequalities are true? There are two tips for dealing with inequalities with unknown constants. First, we need to determine the sign of each unknown constant. And if we are multiplying a negative number on both sides of an inequality, we need to beware of the change in the inequality sign. In this type of questions, we will be using the slopes, x-intercepts, and y-intercepts of L1 and L2 to determine the range of the unknown constants or to compare them. It's useful to list the information on the table for ease of reading. Inequality 1, whether the product of A and B is smaller than 0. If we can determine the signs of A and B, we will know if inequality 1 is true. Notice that the slopes of L1 and L2 are expressed in terms of A and B respectively. And from the graph, we know that the slopes of L1 and L2 are both negative. We may determine the signs of A and B with such information. We have A is smaller than 0 and B is greater than 0. A and B have different signs, so the product of A and B must be smaller than 0. So inequality 1 is true. Next, inequality 2. Is it true that 2a plus b is greater than c? Look at the table. How can we find the range of 2a plus b? Let's try considering the x-intercepts of L1, which involves a and b. From the graph, it's equal to -2. Then we have 2a plus b equals 0. And how about c? The x-intercepts of L2, which is equal to c, is smaller than 0 as we can see from the graph. Combining 2a plus b is equal to 0 and c is smaller than 0, we can conclude that 2a plus b is greater than c. That means inequality 2 is true. Finally, we come to inequality 3. It involves b and c only. Let's consider the y-intercept column as it involves b and c only. What can we get from the figure? We can see that the y-intercept of L2 is greater than that of L1. Set up an inequality, simplifying the inequality by multiplying 2b on both sides. Since b is greater than 0, the inequality sign remains unchanged. And then we have b squared plus 2c is greater than 0. That means inequality 3 is not true. Only inequalities 1 and 2 are true. Therefore, the answer is A.